1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today. And men will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night and see a bright new shining star, and hear a choir sing, the music seemed to come from afar. Now Joseph and his wife Mary come to Bethlehem that night, and find no place to born she child, not a single room was in sight. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today. And men will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. By and by they find a little nook in a stable all forlorn, and in a manger, cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king born today. And men will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed that cover, then please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Also, I want to thank my friends at Enya Music for sponsoring this content and for allowing me to showcase this tenor size Nova ukulele. It's made out of carbon fiber, so it's not going to break or bend or warp under different weather conditions. It's travel friendly, and it also comes with these strap buttons right here on the sides, a sound hole right here on the side. It sounds amazing. It plays well on your fingers. It's very affordable, and it comes with a gig bag and a few accessories. So if you want to get your hands on this model, then check out the link in my description box below. Alright, well, that's it for this video, but you know what? You should check out this next video right here. You're gonna love it, and it's gonna give us another opportunity to hang out, so why not? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.